Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into a cool cinematic video with a smooth keyframes transitions effects. It's super easy and you can do it all in InShot. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your InShot app and then just import the photos that you want to use. Just select them in the right order so your video flows naturally, and then adjust the durations of each photo. And you can also adjust the ratio of your video. Next, just duplicate your photo clip so we can create a seamless transitions. Just tap on it and then just duplicate. And then just make it as an overlay. Just click on switch like this and then position it like this. Next, on these overlay clips, add a keyframes at the start of the clips and end of the clips like this, and on these last keyframes, pinch the zoom in slightly. This will create that smooth motion effects like this. Like this, and then lower the opacity until it reaches 0. Like this. Now let's make that movement look more natural. Just tap on the graph or is this one. Just tap on it and then choose this graph. Like this. It will making the clips look cinematic. And then just repeat this step to all your clips. Next, let's add a filter. Just go to filters and then just browse to the options and choose one that matches your vibes. For example, warm tone for a cozy feels or cooler tones for a moody looks and more. I will choose this one and then just apply the same filter to all clips so your video looks consistent. Just tap this icon like this. Next, let's play the video to see how smooth the transitions look. Like this. If everything feels right, just tap export and choose your resolutions and you're done. And that's it, your photos are now transformed into a smooth cinematic video with keyframes transitions. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!